Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, a short follow-up before the daily close. So we are looking for a move toward the upside. Finally, we see something decisive, all right? We see a move towards the upside. However, we cannot really be very sure that we are bullish, and that because, of course, of something not really good for a bullish scenario also inside this wave is happening. So we're gonna see this together, and we're gonna see what's gonna, of course, happen. However, the possibilities right now after this move, which it was already expected anyway, after invalidation of this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 was invalidated, of course. So we are expecting, of course, the next step was definitely this blue box here, our blue box, and of course probably for an 1, and then A, B, and a C as an expanding flat for a wave 2. And of course this might be a wave C for an A, B, and a C, right? And after a leading diagonal here for a wave 1. So yeah, these are the scenarios right now. Now, why I don't see an impulse inside this? First thing of all, if we move on the 15-minute chart to see much more, inside this wave. So we have a 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5. Probably, of course, can be finished. It can be even 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Finished wave A as an impulse, and then you got a wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 for your wave C. So this can be clearly, of course, a zigzag ABC, right? Then we got a correction, and now if we are impulsive 1, 2, and then 3, and then your wave 4 invalidated, of course, this impulse. Meaning this is definitely an ABC zigzag. This wave here is definitely an ABC zigzag. We cannot really count it, of course, as an impulse, right? And that because of the form of it. Now, the case scenario where you can call a 1, 2, 1, 2, it is of course possible, but I mean, how much possibility that your wave 2 are at the same side? So that is very, very low possibility. Therefore, it reduces, of course, the scenario of being impulsive here, and probably we are looking at zigzags toward the upside, and probably we still have one more zigzag to reach even the blue box perfectly as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a beautiful ending diagonal. Now, as you can see, the target for this ending diagonal taken from this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So in case, let's label this as well 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So to finish also probably a wave C later on. So basically, we have reached the perfect target. The perfect target for 0.618 has been reached as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, the problem with it, this one is impulsive, and I believe it has to be zigzag, unless, of course, we can take it like a very sharp zigzag. It can be as well, but yeah, we have to expect also in case that we get a retracement and one more wave toward the upside to finish even between the blue box here. Now the problem with the blue box is, that if you move higher than 1-to-1 fib level, therefore this this leading diagonal or ending diagonal, in case it is leading, if we break it, then it's become leading. It might become leading diagonal kind of, or it can be much more bullish, I would say. Let's say 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, which is lower possibility here, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. So 99K.5 is our key level for a bullish scenario, meaning 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then bigger 1, 2 here, and then moving toward the upside. Taking the 99.5 means, of course, you are in a wave 3 toward the upside, of course, and a 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? In case we don't take the 1-to-1 and we stay inside this box, the 1-to-1 fib level that you see here is a zigzag. In case you are in A, B, and a C, this is your 1-to-1 fib level, right? Because this will turn it into W, X, and a Y. So W, X, and a Y, three wave structures, all of them. And it is very in confluence between the wave 5 as well, target, so very nice. So meaning, of course, if we finished here in 5 waves like this, which obviously we had already finished it, probably one more leg. That will be, of course, a perfect ending diagonal. However, you still need to take the high here, right? So in Confluence with this, you would like to see the high taken. So once you take this high as well, we can consider that an A, B, and a C expanding flat is perfectly finished. Yeah. And also more Confluence for this. I mean, this can still be for the next scenario in case, of course, we have an expanding flat target here. You will realize that the wave C expanding flat target are inside the blue box as well. Yeah, perfectly inside the blue box. So even if this turns into 1, 2, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4 and a 5, so probably we are still, of course, between those ranges here, which is still can be, of course, an expanding flat, right? And then moving toward the downside. So by all means, guys, we have to be careful from this area still. Of course, this area is still a very bearish area in case, of course, we reach it here. It still have a very, very big bearish scenario still probably unfolding. And we might, of course, move toward the downside. So the bearish scenario is still existing, even if we are looking to higher prices. It doesn't mean that we are totally bullish yet, right? Other scenarios are, of course, where you have a triangle, you have finished now, you want to finish one more wave anyway, yeah, toward the upside to finish A, B, and a C, and your wave D here, and you're looking for one final wave E towards the downside, and then being bullish one more time again. So yeah, these are the scenarios now. These are the key levels to watch and the targets that we have and what it might unfold in bearish and what it might unfold in bullish. And as you can see from in the bullish and the bearish, higher possibility to move towards the downside for a wave E anyway, or impulsively. And then the crossroad for bullish becomes exactly at this point. After your wave E, if your wave E is impulsive towards the downside, therefore, yeah, we are bearish. If we are in zigzag, then we are, of course, bullish. Yeah, so these are the insights on the 5-minute chart. As you can see, of course, we can see the CVD line is moving towards the upside, of course, with this movement towards higher prices. And we have a very strong bearish signal on the 500 strengths. And of course, we did not took the high yet. Of course, we're still looking to take the high. Yeah, there. Anyway, if we take the high, this is gonna finish a very good ABC expanding flat, so we have to be careful with it again for the bearish scenario in case it's gonna unfold. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.